June 3rd, 2024. Sea Hut Ultra, Marina San Pablo. And it has Yamaha 250 Yamaha. Next service, we're going to want to put new trim tab zincs on. Let me show you why. And we're going to want to change your outboard bracket zinc. You would ask us to clean up the water line. We do every time, but it comes back. Let me show you the water line. Notice you're missing a little bit of bottom paint there. So if we take off that little bit of green that's remaining, it'll lose even more bottom paint. I'm thinking you were talking about this staining up here on the front of the boat, perhaps, which I will make a note to bring some hole fittings around here. That way we can take care of that.